What is up, everybody? Today we are going to be playing 1+3 Slime Escape again. This is going to be part 2 with my friend Sir Henry the Brave. His YouTube name is Cryzen. I recommend you subscribing to him. He is a really good YouTuber. And my videos only get like 10 to 0 views. And I'm happy for him because today his YouTube video got 180 views. But my top video is only 11 views, guys. Can you please make that big? Can you please make my channel big, guys? Please. Gotta go. Okay, now we run. Now we jump. Run. Okay. So if you want some tips, I might make another video of part 3 where I'm just gonna run and talk about some tips for you guys. Okay, let's go. Run, jump. Oh, damn it. We're running. Okay, guys, we're running. We are absolutely running. Oh, we died. Come on, run. Go. Yes. Go. Gotta run from the tsunami. Okay, now we gotta run from the slime, everybody. Go up, yes. Now, jump and then run. Do this. Get on there. Go over here. Boing. Guys, guess what? I get so much speed every second. I get 80. No, I was about to say 82. I get 28. Comment down below if you think that's a lot, guys, per second. And I have 1 billion speed. Let's go. We're going brum.
2 new subscribers yesterday. So if you're one of them, thank you. I really appreciate it.
If you're one of my subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Come on. Jump. Oh, I did it. Wait, is it this way? Come on. Jump.
Oh my god.
Jump. Yes. This way? Yep. This way. Yeah. I think we're going the right way. We are, everybody. Yes! We did it. Okay, level 100. I am level 100, so this would be pretty easy for me. Damn it, I just sold, guys.
Go. Quick.
I'm running. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Run. Running from the tsunami. We're running from the tsunami. Okay, now the slime's coming. Run. Jump. Run. Jump.
12,000.
Ooh. Okay. Up here and jump. Go over here. Run. Jump. No, you can do it.
I'm gonna try it. Let's go.
Jump. I did it one. And then you can do this level 2 if you're level like 60 or something. Because I did it when I was level 60. Run and jump. And then jump. Okay. Jump. Okay, now jump. Boom. Over here. And boom. Over here. And boom. Over here. Jump. Over here. And boom, we're here. Okay.
Everybody, thank you for your support on liking and actually like looking at my videos, giving me a chance to like. So yeah, thank you guys.
Get up. I did it, guys. No way. Okay, I can't do that. It's level 1 track.
Yes.
Guys, I just got 20k wins. I get 70 now. Holy.
This one is really easy.
Let's get an egg.
If you make that jump, you can do it.
Oh my god, that's so cute. I just got a party. Okay, let's get 2 of these. Mushroom. Oh my god, I got a mushroom, guys. Oh, I got a golden lightning. No way. That's so cute. Oh, aww. Wait, does it go on my inventory? Is there anything else go on my inventory, guys? No, sadly, no. Damn it. Oh, look. My god. Yes! 14 times treadmill, guys. Let's go.
Whoa, 14 times.
Let's go. We're
So
running.
good. Holy moly, I'm getting so much speed.
Okay, guys. Let's go. We are running on the treadmill. We're gonna run. 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 Oh, yeah, let's rebirth, guys. Let's spam rebirths.
Come on, Maury.
We are spamming rebirths. We
Yes.
are absolutely spamming rebirths. And then boom!
We're gonna get to level 70.
Okay, let's go. Let's rebirth. Let's rebirth. Let's rebirth. Okay, come on. We gotta rebirth as much as we can.
Whole time, and then I'm gone.
Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Right.
Boom, rebirth. Level 90 required.
Level 70.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We can get to level 90, surely we can get to level 90. No more. It's a decent now. No security dies. I'm all in Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Let's go. Something's for sale, guys, on the shop. Watch a video.
Go, go, go.
Whoa. Watch a video. I want to watch a video. We can't. Let's rebirth. Rebirth. Okay, let's get to level. Let's get to the Ooh, I'm on 10 times speed on rebirths. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, rebirth, rebirth, rebirth. Oh wait, should I get a trail, guys? I don't have a trail yet. Wait, no, yeah, I do. I have that one. Let me get this one. Ah. Okay, let's run us on. We gotta get some wins. We gotta get
Oh, I have to get 2,500.
wins, 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 wins. Oh, run, 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 run. Run, 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 run.
Dang it.
We're running. We are running. We are running. We are running. We are running. Jump, jump, jump. Run, 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 run. 55 recommended. I'm level 70. 90. Boing. Gotta go boing. You gotta go boing. Level 70.
Speed running. Let's go.
Boing. Boing. Okay. Boing. Jump. Jump. Run, 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 jump. Run, 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 jump. Run, 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 jump. 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 Guys, I just got 38 million speed. Holy crap. Run, jump. Run, jump. Run, jump. Run, then jump.
Let's go.
Run, then jump. Run, then jump. Run, then jump. Come on, guys. We gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. We gotta go
So fast, bro.
fast.
Yes.
Get that.
Yes, we made it. Let's go.
44. Okay. On the treadmill, on the treadmill. Oh, yeah, you can go up here. Yes!
16,000 views.
Holy crap, guys.
That's amazing.
I get 616,000. Okay. Okay.
Let's go.
And rent, rebirth, rebirth, rebirth. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Rebirth. Yes, yes. Level 100. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go.
Come on. Come on.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep running. Keep running.
Run, 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 run,
Run, run, run, run, run, run, run, run, run, run. Faster, faster, faster.
If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. No.
I got the mushroom.
Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and sub. Peace. Have a good day.